How to use Instantly AI for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Instantly AI. Instantly AI allows you to find contacts and close deals. You're able to find the best client and use this as an amazing database and research tool. Now, Instantly turns your potential leads into clients with automated outreach, deliverability, networks, sales engagement, business to business lead databases, and AI powered CRMs. To get started, simply head on over to Instantly AI and you can click on Get Started. Now, the best part about Instantly is that it's an all-in-one tool. You have products for outreach, lead databases, deliverability, CRM, verification, email accounts, web visitors, and more. You have different use cases and resources available. Now we're going to click on Start for Free to get started. And we are going to create our account. So we're just going to first off type in our email address, agree to the terms of service, and then click on Join Now. Once we've done that, we're just going to verify the CAPTCHA. And then we're going to just click on login because I have, created the account for Instantly. Now I'm going to have to re-sign up on this platform. We're going to go back in and then click on Start for Free. I'm going to sign up Lily Davis, then it's you, and then click on Join Now. Once we have done this, we are just going to proceed on and answer these questions. And then after that, we're going to click on Continue. Now, once we've done that, we have to verify our email address. So I'm just going to open this up and wait for our email address to be verified. So we are going to check our spam folder in case it is sent in. And it goes into our spam. So I'm just going to refresh this. And yeah, so we're going to click here. And once we've done that, we are now in our Instantly dashboard. Now, this is going to be your onboarding section, and you will see a menu bar on the left and then your settings tab on the bottom. Now, to get started, you have to connect your email account. So click on Connect over here. And you can use pre-warmed accounts where you have pre-made accounts and domains where you can start sending out emails right away. Or you can just directly connect your pre-existing account. So you can click on Google and add that. Or if you want that done for you set up, just click on Google over here, type in your pre-existing domain. Now, this is currently the pre-warmed accounts are currently sold out. So you can't proceed with that. Instead, you're going to have to enable IMAP and then proceed with the connection. Now, it's not necessary to get started with emails. The first and most important step is to find leads. Now, on the Instantly AI app, you're going to see it on the top left where you have the lead finder. Now, in your lead finder, you can search for any type of lead. Let's say that I'm looking for a marketing executive and I'm going to take whatever things that they are promoting and I'm going to pitch them a new idea. So I can proceed with the job titles. So let's say I am looking for someone in marketing and I want to look for marketing managers. So I'm going to look for marketing managers and not just marketing. And then if I wanted to contain marketing or if I wanted to be exact, then after that, we have the management levels. So you have C level, VP level, director level, manager level, or staff. So I want this to be at the director level. Then after that, we have the department, which is obviously that going to be marketing. Then we can also add the location. Now, after that, you can add the industry and keyword. So let's say I'm looking for someone in retail. And then after that, I'm going to proceed with the keywords. I can add any keywords or exclude any keywords as well. Below that, I can add the number of employees, revenue, and any lookalike domains. We can also use technologies. So any technologies that we want to include, any news. So let's say I'm looking for a marketing exec that is currently expanding their offices or has launched products. And maybe if I want to find capital investment, business acquisitions, industry recognition. So you have a lot of different patterns of data that you can find. Then you can choose their funding type if you want angel funding, seed funding, pre seed, Series A, pre Series A, and different types of funding. Then you can add the name as well as any particular company or exclude any particular company as well. Now you can see on the top, I have 2,232 results that fall under this category. I can see their keywords, company news, and more information. Now I can also see their email and their location and their number of employees. Now, let's say I want to look at the email of this particular person. I'm going to click on add to campaign and I can select a particular campaign for this particular person. I can see their at as well as their industry, employees, location, department, company, level, and their current title. So this can be a great way for you to find leads. The next step is to connect your email account, and then you can click on add new and add your email setup. Then after that, you have your campaign section. Over here, you can click on add new and start building campaigns. And I can build a simple marketing pitch that can be used in multiple different sections. Now, currently, I don't have any leads. I can click on add leads to add my leads. I can even use my pre existing leads by uploading them as a CSV, or I can enter the emails manually or use their lead finder. Then, after that, I can go into sequences and start building my emailing sequence. Then I can schedule out the emails that I want to send, and I can have different options for filtering them out as well. After that, you're going to have your Unibox. So when you link your email address to the Instantly AI, it allows you to have your Unibox, which is going to be a simple way for you to send, receive, and manage your emails in one space. And then you have a analytics section. This allows you to see the open rate, click rates, as well as reply rates and opportunities. So when you have these analytics, you will understand what type of emails are performing well and what is the element that could be improved. Then you also have your CRM tools, such as your opportunities, leads, sales flows, web visitors, reports, and preferences. You can add everything over here to ensure that everything is in a orderly fashion. Then you also have website visitors where you can proceed with your web setup. Now, the best part about Instantly is that you can get started for free with their free trial. And then their growth plan only starts at $30 a month with unlimited email accounts, unlimited email warm ups, 1,000 uploaded contacts, and sending out 5,000 emails monthly. Then their hypergrowth goes at 77 and their light speed at $286.3 a month. Additionally, this is at yearly billing. If you want their leads as well as CRM tools, those are at variable prices as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.